Love the suction power and the variety of attachments. Makes cleaning the truck a breeze. Only had for a week and so far it works great. Cleans well and comes with different suction tubes. The suction is great. Haven't had it long enough to be familiar with the battery. I bought a Clean M pickup. It doesn't pick up the fine particles on the floor which I think it should do. It seemed to work okay on the seats. I still have not figured how to open it. Used it only in my bedroom but it barely does anything right. This little BELIJA cordless vacuum charges up quickly and has pretty good suction for its size and weight. I could easily inhale a BB off my desk with it. The attachments are small and simple to connect, and it even has a little extension hose that allows you to use the brush head nozzle in extended places. The plastic seems fairly sturdy and not brittle. The filter and the intake nose can be washed with water, and it's lightweight. Contains its own battery charged with an included USB cable. The one drawback is that there is no one-way gate in the intake that prevents debris from falling back out like the name brand dustbusters all do. So you want to make sure you don't position the unit to allow debris to crawl back out. Only about 25% of the intake cone is exposed to the possibility that anything could fall back out. It's a great hand vac with multiple attachments. Would definitely recommend. I absolutely love this little vacuum. The suction at what I was iffy on before ordering, but it picks up all the crumbs that get in between the seats in my car from my kids who will give this vacuum a run or my money. We're a week in and this is my new best friend and will stay in my car.